Hey, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a player joined chat message, meaning that when the player joins, it's going to show in the top left, blah blah blah, has joined your game, or has joined the game. And yeah, to get started, if you don't already have your Explorer up, open it, and I'm going to start. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a remote event by going over here into replicated storage, clicking remote event, and I'm going to name it make chat message. And after that, I'm going to go into my starter player scripts, create a local script, and start typing something. Game.replicated storage dot make chat message dot on client event connect function. And what we will be passing later on is going to be a message table. And we want to get the game, get service, start GUI, set core is what we're going to do, and chat make system message is what we're going to use to do this, and we're going to pass that message table. And we're going to come back to this. I'm going to show you kind of what this does a little bit after you do the server part. So on the server, I'm going to create a script under server script service, and I'm going to start on this game.players.player added connect function player in the parentheses drop down local message table, which we were passing before, and I'm going to show you what's in this. So our message table here is going to be used to kind of describe the message that we're going to send into the chat. So our text, what we want it to say, is probably going to be player.name has joined the game. Make sure you have the two dots in between this. And the next thing is the color, which we're going to make ours shift comma here. I'm going to make my color dot from RGB, and I'm just going to choose a color by clicking that, or you can look up the color combination. I'm probably going to choose a green, kind of like this. And the next two are kind of more so optional, but everything here is technically kind of optional except for the text, where it'll default if you don't set it. So color is automatically defaulted to, I'm pretty sure, white. The text size is automatically defaulted to 18, and the font is automatically Source Sans bold, I believe. Source Sans bold. So you can make the text size whatever you want. You can make it really big. Make sure I have my comma there. You can make it like 30, but it'll look a little weird. I'll show you what it looks like a little bit later on. I'll keep it 18 for now, and I'm going to set the font equal to what it usually is. enum.fonts.source bold is what I'm going to use. Game.replicated storage dot make chat message. We want to fire all clients when we join the game with our message table. Okay, so this should do what we want it to. Okay, I should play it the other way instead. Play. And yeah, that's Mirage. Just join the game, and it's good. You can also add, like I said, customization to this. You can change the color of it if you want to like yellow. I play it. It's yellow. You can change the font. So enum.fonts dot, and you can pick your font. I can pick like code, and it kind of shows it with the code font. And I can also make the size of the text really big, which you probably wouldn't want to make it really big. Might take up the chat too much. Yeah, see how big it is? It's pretty big like that, but 18 is probably the recommended. And if you do actually delete these lines, it automatically defaults to the regular. So it'll just look like this again, which I have the default set. You can also change the message to like, has joined the game, or you can say like, welcome, welcome, player name, blah blah blah, to the game, or something like this. So everything here is kind of, you can kind of mess with it a little bit, kind of make your own. And yeah, hope this helps. If you enjoyed it, and peace.